Okay, I'm here in Nessa's map room, and so I'm going to go to my discovery menu and me, and I'm going to go down to my plots since I have 3 plots here. And I'm going to hit locate. Let's go to my plot. Bye, Nessa. Enjoy your new house. Okay, so it took me to my plot. Oh. Okay, so I'm hiding here in my plot. Let's go check out my little statue. Oh! Well, maybe it just takes a minute to load. While we're waiting for that to load, let's bring up the discovery menu again. Let's go back to me. And let's go to my locations. And then we're going to move this over and go all the way to see more. And we're looking for one that says I am. There we go. Infiniverse map. I am. Let's visit that. And here is how you get to your map room for this plot. So the trick is, go to your plot and then look for the Infiniverse map. Y'all, this is my first time seeing my little plot too. We're seeing it together. Ah, it's so cute. It's so cute. Oh, I love it. I have no idea which plot I was in. Oh, I love it. Yay! Okay, so that's how you get to your map room.